Where's your nose, honey? Where's your cheeks? No, that's your ear. Where's your head? Yes, where's your chin? Where's your chin? Yes, where's your nose? Yes, where's your eyes? Yes, and your cheek? Owie, where's your cheek? Where's your knee? Yes, where's your toes? Your toes? Where's your toes? Where's your belly button? Yes, where's your chest? No, where's your chest? You know. Your chest. Where's your chest? Jacob, where's your teeth? Can you show us your teeth? You gotta take your nooker out. Okay.